Today, we're diving into something truly special. The 2025 Jaguar E-Type. A car that blends retro heritage with cutting-edge innovation, this modern revival of the legendary E-Type is turning heads across the globe. Jaguar has managed to keep the soul of the 60s icon while giving it the technology and performance of a 21st-century supercar. From its jaw-dropping looks to its luxurious interior and thrilling driving dynamics, this machine is a celebration of everything Jaguar stands for. Let's start with the design, because honestly, you can't talk about the E-Type without admiring its looks. The 2025 version pays a powerful homage to the original, with a long, sleek bonnet, curvaceous rear, and oval-shaped grille. But don't be fooled. This isn't a simple replica. Jaguar has refined the lines, added modern LED headlamps with distinctive DRLs, flush door handles, and an active rear spoiler for improved aerodynamics. The car sits on 20-inch forged alloy wheels, with carbon ceramic brake discs peeking through, adding a muscular, aggressive stance. The body is made from lightweight aluminum with carbon fiber accents to keep the weight down and the performance sharp. Step inside, and the nostalgia continues, but with a futuristic twist. The cabin of the 2025 E-Type is a luxurious blend of tradition and technology. You're greeted by finely stitched leather seats, inspired by the original bucket-style design, now fully electric and ventilated. The dashboard features a clean, minimal layout with a 12.3-inch digital driver's display and a 10.8-inch infotainment screen powered by Jaguar's latest POV Pro system. There's full smartphone integration, voice command, and an immersive Meridian sound system that fills the cabin with rich, clear audio. Ambient lighting, dual-zone climate control, and real metal toggle switches create a refined, yet driver-focused atmosphere. Storage is minimal, but this car isn't about practicality, it's about the experience. Under the hood, the 2025 E-Type doesn't disappoint. While enthusiasts hoped for a V12 comeback, Jaguar instead opted for a more modern and sustainable powertrain lineup. The base model features a 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline-six, producing 480 horsepower and 0-60 mph in just 4.1 seconds. But the real highlight is the range-topping electric variant. Yes, the E-Type has gone electric. With dual motors pushing out, over 600 horsepower and an impressive 0-60 time of 3.3 seconds, this EV version offers instant torque, a whisper-quiet ride, and a claimed range of 350 miles on a single charge. Jaguar's active suspension, torque vectoring system, and adaptive drive modes ensure it handles like a proper sports car. Whether you're carving up back roads or cruising along the coast, it delivers sharp responses, tight steering, and confident braking. Of course, all this beauty and performance come at a price. The 2025 Jaguar E-Type starts at around $130,000 for the base petrol model, while the electric version commands a premium, starting at $160,000 and going up depending on trim and customizations. Optional extras like carbon fiber body kits, upgraded wheels, and bespoke interior finishes can push the price well past $180,000. It's not cheap, but then again, legends rarely are. In conclusion, the 2025 Jaguar E-Type is more than just a car. It's a statement, a piece of rolling art that respects its legacy while embracing the future. Jaguar has crafted something extraordinary, equal parts heritage, innovation, and passion. If you're a collector, a driving enthusiast, or someone who simply appreciates the finer things in automotive design, the E-Type is impossible to ignore. It's not just a return, it's a rebirth.